Hi guys and girls, welcome to the Marilyn Makeover, my HQ build series. Today is Friday the 30th of July 2021 and it is my car's birthday. It's 50 years old, and what better way than celebrating its birthday than to give it a new life. So please join me on this video series as I rebuild this car. So let's get started with the car as it currently is. So you got to do a bit of the old carby dance to get the thing started. Hasn't been started in a while. So I'd like to share with you the history of the car with a little photo montage with a voiceover. So here in these photos is how the car was purchased by my parents on the 4th of February 1986 for the sum price of $2,490. It had 49,000 miles on the car already. The car is a Sydney Pagewood built 1971 HQ. It came factory optioned as an LS with an M21 4-speed and a 336 LSD. Amethyst in colour, flax interior, and delivered to Ern Jones in Bankstown. When my parents purchased the car, it already had the statesman front on it. It already had the wing on it, and it had some gold hot wires to go with it. Dad started to then work on the car, stripping it back, completely back, to change the colour. Changing it to white, it got the name Marilyn Monaro. It still had the 253 when it got on the road in the early 90s, and then shortly afterwards the 308 went in situ. The car's been in its current situation since the mid-90s, and I've only done minor things to it like the exhaust system and maintenance. So now is the time, now that it's 50 years old, to give it a new life. So the car is an LS 253 4-speed manual with an LSD, factory optioned. I'm not one for original cars. I certainly like modified cars, and that's what I'm going to do this. It is not going to go back to original Amethyst. It is not going to go back to a flax interior. It's going to be something a bit more mean, something I can drive everywhere, something that I can take the kids and the family for a drive in, something I can take to power cruise, something I can take to summer nats. I don't know when episodes are going to be released. It's just going to be a matter of when I get around to working on the car. I have 2 kids under 6 and a wife and a full-time job, so spare time in the garage is hard to come by. So I'm going to give you a quick rundown of some of the things in the car that need attention. The paint, as you can see here in these clips, is cracked. It's cracked everywhere over the car, as the car was painted in acrylic and it has not weathered too well. The paint is 30 years old and it just needs to be redone. Some minor rust might need to be fixed, as the car has been subject to salt air for the past 20 years as well. So I look forward to bringing you the next episode when I start to dismantle the car and prepare for paint preparation. Till then, peace out. So as I build the car, I'm going to be asking some questions to you, the viewers. So you might actually have some answers or some better suggestions to the way I was going to do things. So one of the questions I've got is best way to remove these chrome trimmings. If anyone has any suggestions, put it in the comments.